Hope my screen is visible to all of you. Is screen is visible?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir, but I have pinned.
Hope screen is visible
Yes,
now.
sir.
Sir, it is visible.
Yes,
It is visible.
sir.
It is visible. Screen is visible.
Sir, you have joined with 3 IDs.
It is replicated because I have used the 2 IDs. Okay. Once will be replicate. If you join with 2 ID, then it will replicate. Okay. No problem.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
I am monitoring. I am monitoring
Sir,
through the mobile screen, and I am presenting the screen through the system. That's why. Okay. थोड़ा स्पीड इज स्लो, थोड़ा सा हमारे सिस्टम की हो गई है. इट में भी आपको.
एक्चुअली सर,
यस.
सर आप कौन सा स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर यूज करते हैं?
आई एम यूजिंग द स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर आई स्क्रीन.
ओके सर.
क्या हुआ? क्या कोई एनी प्रॉब्लम इज हियर?
No, sir.
नो सर.
थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, स्क्रीन जो है डाउनलोड नहीं हो पा रही. ओके, आई हैव टू चेक अनदर मेथड. 1 मिनट. यहाँ से डाउनलोड नहीं हो पा रहा, आगे फॉरवर्ड नहीं जा पा रहा है. Okay, no problem. 1 minute. We have to download the PDF because it not able to show properly.
सर
Yes. हाँ.
सर मेरा जो लैपटॉप है सर, उसके स्टार्टिंग विंडो के आगे खुलता ही नहीं है.
It may be problem of Windows operating system. You have to reinstall. एक बार अपनी सिस्टम में रीइंस्टॉल कराओ विंडोज को, then you will see your screen will be on. Okay. आपकी स्क्रीन जब दिखेगी जब आप अपनी विंडोज को फिर से रीइंस्टॉल कराओगे. आपकी विंडोज की प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, विंडोज की फाइल करप्ट हो गई है. ओके.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
Now I am coming on the page number that we have to learn. Excel. Okay, this is the application that we have to learn today. Hope everyone got the page number, chapter number 8, and this is the application Microsoft Excel. Children, as you know, this is the third application of Microsoft company. Microsoft Office में जो आपको थर्ड.
के लिए कौन सी की प्रेस करते हैं?
Which thing you are asking? Again repeat your question. Windows की.
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि सर विंडो रीस्टार्ट करने के लिए कौन सा की प्रेस करते हैं?
अच्छा, विंडोज को रीस्टार्ट करना है ना, तो कंट्रोल आल्ट और डिलीट की यू हैव टू प्रेस. You have to press control.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Bhavesh. Which Bhavesh here? In this class, anyone Bhavesh is here? Bhavesh कौन है? Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो in this class, भावेश कोई है तो अपना बता दे नेम. मेरा नाम है. And which
Sir
class
है.
you have joined? Okay.
मेरा नाम है
Okay. Thank you. Now, children, come to the topic that is we have to learn. दिस इज द एक्सेल, दिस इज द थर्ड एप्लीकेशन, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कंपनी का ये थर्ड एप्लीकेशन है, एंड इन विच यू हैव टू मेक द डेटा, you can create the spreadsheet and you can write the, you can enter the data in rows and columns. Okay, now let's start. I am starting, then you will see what is the exactly use of Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows you to organize data, complete calculation, and you can create the graph or particular selected data and develop the various type of reports. Just like you have seen, आपके जो मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स होती हैं उसको बना सकते हैं. यू कैन मेक द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ग्राफ के बारे में आपने पढ़ा है. हैव यू लर्न इन द मैथ्स?
Yes, sir.
पढ़ा है.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The name
Yes,
of
sir.
the graphs. Any graph name can you tell me? Please remain muted.
Sir,
Bar graph. Good. So in the same way, here is given about the more than 12 graphs are available here. Remove backdrop pick everyone. किसने backdrop लगा रखी है?
Sir,
मंगल पांडे. Please remove the background and comb मत करो, चुपचाप बैठो, comb कर. ठीक है, मैं देख रहा हूँ. ऑन योर कैमरा ऑन होना चाहिए एवरीवन.
Camera is on.
ओके.
Sir, I also.
Okay, see here children, and you can complete the calculation, various type of calculation, just like if you want to add, subtract, multiply, divide, or logical based calculation you can also here do. Okay, Excel allows you to organize data in rows and columns. Commonly, you as you understand children, and you are looking the short screenshot. ये जो आपको screenshot दिख रहा है, this is the screenshot. You are looking here the screenshot. Here is available the rows and columns in which you can enter the data and you can manage the data. Okay. These rows columns are collectively called worksheet. And for years you can keep the data inside the spreadsheet. Okay, people use manual method such as those performed with pencil and paper to organize data in rows and columns. If I ask to you ma'am ने जब आपको डेटा हैंडलिंग पढ़ाया होगा, then ma'am has told to you कि बेटा you take the pencil and make the graph, bar graph, column graph, pie chart ना. तो different types of the charts के लिए आपको pencil use करना पड़ता है, scale, and then graph paper is you have, आपके पास एक graph paper होता है, उस पर आप ग्रेड जो होती हैं उसको आप काउंटिंग करके then you are making the various type of graphs. In the same pattern here is also children, you can make the different types of graphs. Okay, the data in an electronic worksheet is organized in the same manner as it is done in the manual form. Manual में जैसे वर्क किया जाता है, in the same pattern you can do here. But here is the some advantage also. Manual में बहुत सारी मिसिंग हो जाती है, बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स होती है, that you can rectify later. But in here you can rectify and it will update directly in the all places where that value will be used. Okay, जहां जहां वो वैल्यू यूज की गई होगी सब में अपडेट हो जाएगा if you made the changes. MS Word software spreadsheet has the basic feature to help you create, edit, format worksheet. Just like the Microsoft Word has the formatting options, in the same pattern you can format your data. Basic features that you have learned in the Microsoft Word, that is also available in Microsoft Excel also. जैसे आपने bold करना है, italic करना है, underline करना है, and you want to change the color, font size, these things you can do in Excel also. Okay, a spreadsheet file is called workbook. Already I have told. जो Microsoft Excel की फाइल होती है उसका नेम हम बोलते हैं वर्कबुक. क्या बोलते हैं? File is known as workbook. Spreadsheet
वर्क
फाइल, फाइल को हम क्या बोलेंगे? वर्कबुक बोलते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. एंड डिफॉल्ट वर्कबुक नेम इज बुक 1. जब हम एक्सेल को ओपन करेंगे देन यू विल सी द फर्स्ट वर्कबुक, दैट नेम, डिफॉल्ट नेम विल बी द बुक 1. ओके, which is like a notebook having 255 individual worksheets. You can insert the up to 255 worksheets in a workbook. Means workbook is the consist of multiple worksheets, and worksheets divided into the rows and columns. Okay, if I talk about the worksheet, then you are looking here on each worksheet. Data is organized in column, vertically in column and horizontally in row. Okay, तो horizontally horizontal जो होता है, just like here you are looking children, row आपकी horizontal होती है. These are the called, यहाँ जो ऐसे लाइन आपकी दिख रही है, this line indicates the row, particular row जो हम अभी ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, जिस पर चला रहे हैं, this is called row. And whatever column you are looking, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay, these are known as column. जो ये लाइन हम आप चला रहे हैं, these lines indicate the column. और जब ये कॉलम ऐसे बनते हैं तो this intersect part, जो अब यहाँ पर एक एरिया बनना जहां पर हमारा पॉइंटर चल रहा है, दिस इंटरसेक्ट पार्ट जो आपको ये ब्लू कलर दिख रहा है, दिस इज नोन एज सेल एज हियर इंडिकेटेड. ये सेल हो गया जो आपको ब्लू कलर में यहाँ पर दिख रहा है. इज इट क्लियर? तो आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एवरीथिंग कि सेल क्या है. सेल इज द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ द एक्सेल एंड ईच वर्कशीट ऑफ Excel 2010 typically has 16,384 columns. Please underline it. Everyone underline. Underline यहाँ कर लो जहाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ. Please underline. Please underline these lines where I have underlined. Hope you have you have pencil and underline in your book. These points are very important points, individual worksheets. Okay, and you can see in a worksheet there are 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Okay, and in which you can enter the data, you can manipulate data, you can create the report, you can make the chart, you can complete your calculation, you can organize the data in various methods. Using various methods, you can filter, you can sort, etc. These features we can apply here and we can always use to organize the data. Okay. Now I am coming on another topic, that is you are looking here how you can identify the columns and rows. Here you are looking a letter A जो दिख रहा है, identify each columns. Whatever the letters you are looking here, A, B, C, D, these identify the column name. Okay, this is the column name or column heading, and a number identifies each row. Whatever number you are looking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these are the row number. The column letter begin with a letter and end with XFD. Means लास्ट कॉलम नेम, जो ये लास्ट कॉलम नेम होगा 16,384 कॉलम नेम होगा, इसका नंबर जो होगा वो XFD होगा. इज इट क्लियर? हमने कॉलम की संख्या बताया कि कितनी है, हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स आर देयर, 16,384 and it is started from which column? Column A से. पहला column जो होगा A होगा, दूसरा B, तीसरा C. In this way 16,384 column number पर you will see XFD column, and if you will see the first row, yani row number begins with the 1 and end with the 10,48,576. Only a small fraction of each column and rows displays on the screen. You can't see whole number of rows at a time and whole number of columns at a time. You can see few columns and few rows at a time on the screen. When you will scroll down, then you can see one by one, it will show you the number of columns and number of rows. Now, to view with different parts of the worksheet, you can use the scroll bar. अभी हमने आपको बताया scroll bar use करके you can see the whole screen or whole number of columns and rows. Okay. Now I am coming on the another component that already I have told you. The intersection. Hello. The intersection of the column and a row is called cell. When the row and column will intersect each other, then they will form a cell. And cell is the rectangular area in which you can enter the data. A cell is the basic unit. Already I have told you, the cell is the basic unit of a worksheet into which you enter data. Cell is identified by column name and row number in which it is located. For example, here is given the address or cell that you can identify. Here is given the example, the intersection of column B and row number 5 is referred as the cell B5, in which is called cell address. If I say, children, if I say you are looking here the particular column, if I talk about this particular area, you are looking here B5, so then you have to understand here is the first column name is B and its related row number is 5. Okay, then the address of this area, particular selected area, will be the B5. It is unique address name for the calculation where you can calculate. Just like children, if I will write 40 here, if I ask to you what is the address of 40, then you can reply, sir, it is 40 is located in the column number
D5
and it is written in row number 5. So 40 address we can write D5. If I will write here D5, indirectly I am saying I have written 40. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Just
sir.
like if I ask any student, अभिनव को मैंने बोला कि बेटा आपका सपोज अभिनव का रोल नंबर, yes you can
we edit?
हाँ yes you can edit. सपोज अभिनव को हमने बोला अभिनव का रोल नंबर सपोज 5 है, तो हमने बोला if ask I have called the roll number 5, please hands up. So it means
My roll number 6.
अभिनव will hands up. Okay, means अभिनव को पता है रोल नंबर हमारा 5 है, तो अभिनव अपने से तुरंत बोल देगा, वो बता देगा कि हमारा ही रोल नंबर 5 है. That's why I have hands up. Okay, तो ये इस तरीके का एक मेथड है. This is the method. Okay, ये इनडायरेक्ट मेथड होता है कि आई एम कॉलिंग बाय द सेल एड्रेस पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू. ओके, in the formula, in any other logic. Now I am coming another thing. Here is given. You are looking here the children that you can enter. Cell may contains 3 different types of data. Just you are looking here labels, value, that will be the number and formula. These three types of data you can enter in the particular cell address or cell. Okay. Now I am coming on the, before starting this usage of the Excel, I am coming on the topic how you can start the Excel. I will discuss about the usage of the Excel next day. Now I am coming on the practical part. See here how you can start the children. See how you can start the Microsoft Excel. You have to click on the search box simply and then go to the after clicking on the search box, you have to type EXCEL. Simply the Excel name. Excel spelling you have to write EXCEL. And then press the enter key from the keyboard. You will see the Excel application will start. Okay. Now you are looking, it is starting and you can see the blank workbook. I have already told you workbook is the file name of Excel file. Okay. So you are looking here, I have clicked here. In this way you can see this interface. Excel spreadsheet program has been opened and you can see the interface. Now you are looking here, I have already told the default name of file will be the workbook 1 या book 1. Okay. You are looking here. ये आपको जो दिख रहा है A, B, C, D, whatever the A, B, C, D you are looking, these are the name of the column. And you are looking here, the number of rows, 30 rows are available here. If you want to see much more row, then you have to scroll one by one. You have to scroll, then you can see it is increasing. Down में आप जाओगे, then आप देखते जाओगे. It will increase. Okay. If you will click on the horizontal scroll bar, then you can see the alphabet will be changed. Okay. In this way you can see, but it is not possible to see or jump directly on that particular row number. So you have to think how you can move the last row and last column. Simple method is here, children. If you want to move first column or last column, first column, if you want to go to the first column or last column or first row or last row, simple method is here. You have to hold the control key.
And then home.
No. Control key, you have to hold the control key and press the, firstly you have to place your pointer. This is my pointer, you are looking here. I have hold the control key. Okay. आप कंट्रोल की होल्ड करके रखेंगे, देन आपको यहां से कंट्रोल की होल्ड करिए, देन यू हैव टू प्रेस द डाउन एरो की, देन यू विल सी द लास्ट रो विल बी अपीयर हियर. होप यू आर लुकिंग लास्ट रो. लास्ट रो आप देख पा रहे हैं. दिस इज द लास्ट रो, यू आर लुकिंग लास्ट रो नंबर. Is it clear? And if you want to see the last column name, I have told the last column name is XFD. Suppose you want to see, you have to hold the control key firstly, then go to the right arrow key, then you can see, children, last column name, that is the XFD. Is it clear? I have circled.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here is the question from your side. Should be question from your side कि सर कैसे पॉसिबल है कि यहाँ से A के बाद में AXFD दिख रहा है. नो चिल्ड्रन, थिंक अबाउट द कोडिंग के बारे में सोचो कि किस तरीके से कोडिंग की गई हुई है. हियर इज गिवन द सीरीज ऑफ अल्फाबेट्स. यू आर लुकिंग हियर द अल्फाबेट्स. इट विल फिनिश A to Z, then it will start again AA, AB, AC, AD, and again you will see when the AZ will come, then you can see it will start the series BA, BB, BC, BD, etc.
Sir, it will play
way,
all the combination.
Yes, it is making the series, alphabet series for the reaching the last column except D. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In this way, you can jump directly on the first row, first column. Okay. Just like you are looking, I have placed here pointer. Abhimanyu, you are saying class is over. 1 minute. After this, if you want to make the spreadsheet, you are by default, see here that 3 sheets or worksheets are available here. 2 minutes I will take and then I will over the class. You are looking here, 3 worksheets are available by default, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay. These are the
Yes,
3
sir.
worksheets available here. If you want to insert much more than 3, then you have to click on the press button. Then you can see here, 4th worksheet will be inserted and you can move it after the 3 or 3 before the 4. It's upon you. You have to hold the mouse pointer just like I am holding and you can move anywhere. Okay? आपको ड्रॉप करना, पिक करना, ड्रॉप करना.
Okay, sir.
In the same way that I am following here. Is it clear? So in this way you can insert up to 255 worksheets. I have already told the number. Now you are looking here. This is the function bar, formula bar, that where you have to type the or edit the formula. This bar is known as formula bar. Okay. Where you have to type the formula. This is the name box that display the selected cell address. In where is your pointer, it will show that particular cell address. Just like you are looking B and 6. Here is located the B6. It is displaying the B6. Okay. दिख रहा है और ना, जिसको नहीं दिख रहा प्लीज से मी कॉर्नर में जहां टिक लगा है, see here name box is written here. This is the component, main components. Okay, after this I am coming. If you want to make the spreadsheet, you have to firstly type the label or headings. Just like if you want to make the serial number, यहाँ से ऐसे serial number बनाने हैं. Suppose before entering the data, if you want to enter the name, then you have to type the name. If you want to enter the class, if you want to enter the section, in this way you can make the section. If you want to write here contact detail, in this way you can enter the headings, and under the headings you have to enter the data, particular data. Just like if you have suppose here is given the some student's name, then you have to enter the name of the students below to the name field. This is also called field. This is also called label. Is it clear? यहाँ पर जो ये हमने लिखा serial name, this is label. Okay, and this is called also field. And whatever the data you will enter here, it will call the record. एक रो में जो आप एंटर करोगे, it will call the record. Suppose you want to make the serial, you have to select the number, 2 numbers, and place your pointer right bottom corner. सेल की बॉटम कॉर्नर पर देखो, यहाँ पर हमने प्लेस किया. इट विल मेक योर कन्वर्ट योर पॉइंटर ब्लैक थिन पॉइंटर, एंड यू हैव टू होल्ड द योर माउस लेफ्ट बटन, देन ड्रैग इट डाउन. इट विल मेक द सीरियल. ओके, जस्ट लाइक यू आर लुकिंग हियर. एंड आफ्टर दैट if you want to type name, so you are looking here, this is the value type of data is here. And now you are looking here, text type data I am entering in the under the name and class section, and then again I will enter the value type data in contact number. Is it clear? So this way we can make the spreadsheet. And you can also see here, I want to display you 1 minute that I have made a spreadsheet for you, already made. Just like you are looking children, I have made the spreadsheet by entering the student's name and their marks. You are looking here, the marks I have already entered. Okay. Out of 40 marks I have entered, and then I have calculated the total. You are looking here, that formula I have entered. If you want to change any other formula, how you can change? Simply I want to tell you. You have to just, now you are looking, I have deleted the formula. Suppose you want to calculate the data, then you have to simply select the whole data and go to the one option is available here. That is the auto sum. Auto sum feature is here, sigma. Okay, this is the sigma feature. You can see here where you have to click by selecting your data. Select the data along with the total column and then click on the auto sum. You will see the total will be calculated. Okay. And suppose you have
Yes, sir.
more data, you want to enter more data, then you simply have to enter here the number. यहाँ आपको नंबर एंटर करना है. You will see the total will be done. आपको दिखाई पड़ रहा है नंबर आप एंटर कर रहे हो, टोटल हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
In this way you can enter another record also. Is it clear?
Time is over.
Yes, sir.
Now you can leave the class.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone for joining the class.